Hey, this highslide didn't detect we are here though. That's why. Because there's a detector there on. Let's see.
2 hours later.
See, not Alton. It's a locker. I think I asked the car come in front.
No, he thinks he's talking about his headlights. He's gonna be like, what is he asking us to do?
See? That red spice already.
I'm pretty sure he's confused as fuck lah.
It's a she.
Oh, it's a she. She kept switching her headlights on and off, thinking that we were talking about her headlights.
She can U-turn here. I will follow him.
Wait, you all suddenly brake a car behind you. I think got no car up close. Oh, my balls.
Oh shit.
Bruh.
I didn't see that TV coming so fast. Oh.
Did he hit you?
Almost hit me. Oh no. Almost wrecked me. Like almost wrecked me, you know. Very close. I don't know what to do.
I wasn't really looking. I was looking at the cars you all were honking at.
This girl don't wanna die fast.
Lala Porte. Turn left. Down there.
Park here? Oh,
But
cycle parking.
I think we need to pay.
Yeah. Which I don't want. I think we park somewhere else there.
Wow, look at the stairs.
How do we go?
So, I don't know, just go another round. Or we do so high thing, just do so high parking.
Park anywhere you want, right?
Yeah.
The thing is, I don't know how to make another round. Hey, entry to Bukit Bintang City Centre. Let's go inside there lah.
Bintang City Centre. This is not the right one lah. Oh yeah, it is.
This is go inside parking though.
Is this even the parking for bikes?
Easy lah. Hey, can we go up ah? I think we are wrong place today.
Try and see lah.
We're not motorcycle lah. I think tak ada lah. Hey, got car going pass by there. Lol.
Look at that stupid fake Subaru.
Where to go ah? Nothing here. Turn right.
Remember this Arabic street we went through when we were looking for, I don't know what we were looking for.
What is this stupid thing?
Do ah.
Turn inside here and turn there.
I'm pretty sure millions of motorcyclists has done it. We ain't the only one.
Actually, you can go up there.
Yeah, we're just about to say that. Go up there, more fun.
End up here. Not kotek kau. Halal restaurant ke? Wow, look at all the RBB inside there. The lady in front there. The lady.
These are not prostitutes.
Oh, you know? See? Mana masak
Okay, the auntie one does look like it lah. Yeah.
Oh, you know? That one is not that one Look like it lah. Right, look like it.
It's always the aunties looking for customers. Don't know why.
That's right. They're too dry down there. Nobody want that.
Oh, so many massage. You want the happy ending? We have many service. I know money for massage.
It's okay, I give you free massage.
Free ah. Must
Right.
be serviced by all the nenek.
Make your down there wet.
I think if it's an old lady, it will make my down there more dry.
Seems like a stupid thing to do. Food hacker. You know, I was thinking what these two people doing. And there's a block there. Yeah, on to the left. Never mind, I think we're in front there.
Technically, we are off-roading.
I hope none of this thing will break. Go! You're vomiting there. Very smelly.
I'm holding my breath. I don't know how all these workers can stand the smell. They are probably immune to the smell already.
Is it? Oh, it smells like flower to me.
Turn left to the dark alley. There's one dark alley around here. There's a bit of an off-road too. No, not here.
That's so scary.
Ah yeah, up here.
Seriously, damn scary lah that one. Yeah, I don't wanna. This one, don't dare.
Well, what is this place?
Oh, off-road compile here.
Oh, turn left.
Later lah. Let's go the slowest without falling down. You burn out flat.
People will be laughing at us. Ah, these two scooters no power to go up. This is like Bukit Gasing. We're all rich people.
Bukit Tengku.
Maybe it's connected. Maybe it's connected.
Damn nice is not this place. Interesting find. What happened now?
Whoa, looks like it's been burned down. Let's go in.
I'm very scared already.
Why?
No, at the end, I wouldn't live in such an area already. I'm scared already. I see this house, I'm scared already. I cannot imagine how people stay here. How? I'm scared already. What's this guy doing?
Having sex. You never know that there are things looking at us right from the window.
What do you mean by that?
Ghost!
I smell like shit, but I don't dare go there already.
Have anyone ever told you before that a ghost has very bad smell on them? Maybe that's what you're smelling.
Don't scare me off, screw you. Don't play a fool with me, then later the thing come at you, you know.
Actually, I'm also feeling a bit scared. I'm just scaring myself.
Someone is wearing shorts, goosebumps I can see.
Someone is so cold up here. Go home, don't dare to shower already. Straight away go to the bed and sleep.
Can't sleep, on all the lights here. Hey, one part of that.
Yeah, that's a good sign.
I don't scared already. One part of that, I'm scared already.
Yeah.
I think all on top. See the first stop there, so scary. The vertical gun.
Who knows, maybe it is here. 3-story house. Walao, got staircase by the side some more. Buy.
Oh, this feels so weird, dude, this place. What era is this created?
90s. The one on the left looks weird as shit.
No,
It's so round and I don't know, it just looks old.
somewhat scary, but I think all these people don't feel scared.
I think this area is not scary.
I see abandoned house, scary, yeah. Actually, my father's house was scary, abandoned. No.
Yo.
Oh, one condo up here. Here. My scooter be like, this is the first time you drive so slow. This condo, they all damn funny.
The color is funny. That guard must be wondering, who the fuck are these two people?
Am I gonna die tonight? Can we get shot? Wow, all these houses nobody in.
Got lah. Got car inside.
Just imagine, people want to send things out, don't want to come out here, it takes so long.
Yeah, exactly. I was actually just thinking of that. I think the couriers will have a hard time looking for the
Better next.
see any dark place, just turn in only lor.
There's somehow at the back really going up there.
You should have gone up there.
Ah, but I'm gonna do something stupid.
Something stupid things is always fun. Oh yeah, but not long enough.
Where is this I can do a stretch.
Yeah, I also can do ma.
Pass on me.
This is how stupid you look.
I think you're gonna crash at me. You're gonna crash at me.
If I lose control, I can't even put my legs down. Wait.
Right. I think come out. So dangerous, you. Ooh, look at this house.
Look at all the houses here, lah. Come on.
Yeah, all the car also nice. They got Myvi outside there. See?
Oh, you know whose car does the Myvi belong to? Their mate. Huh? What?
I hope there's voice too.
Not me, man.
I wonder where the throng won't go to. I think there is motorbike. You wanna go to?
If you take picture here, it looks like you put your bike in a
here's Taman Desa already.
What? Taman Desa?
Taman Desa. Yeah.
What the shit?
You want to take picture?
Since I'm here already, why not you take for me first?
Okay.
Oh shit.
Itu loh motorbike come later. Exhaust go and